How to share a PDF file as a link. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your Play Store. Tap on the search icon. Now type Google Drive. Now click on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Google Drive and click on install. If it's already installed, make sure to update to the latest version. Simply tap on the update button. Now wait for some time and go back to the home screen. Now open up Google Drive on a device or simply open up File Manager. Now go to your PDF file. Now keep holding the PDF file and tap on Share. Now on the Share options, simply tap on Google Drive. Now select your Google account and tap on Save. Now go back to the home screen. Open up Google Drive on a device. Now select your Google account. Now tap on Files at the bottom right corner. Now find the PDF. Tap on three dots next to it. Now tap on Manage Access. Now tap on Restricted. Now select anyone with the link. Now once you're done, simply go back and tap on link icon at the top right corner. Now share the link with anyone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.